Once upon a time, what's your name?
Little Shagundala.
Little Shagundala was in her little cabin in high school, and she listened, and the wind blew in the trees.
Oh, that incessant wind.
And
And then I turn on my stove and the kettle goes. And I sit down on my bed and it goes. And every time I walk through my house it goes. Oh, I'm so tired of this noise. I can't sleep. I'm exhausted. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, she Googled, and she found that there was a wise woman, a different wise woman than the, oh, what a goose I am.
I'm going to go see the wise woman.
Hello.
Oh, hello, wise woman.
Yes.
You see, I have a problem. See these bags under my eyes? I'm so tired because my house is so noisy. The wind blows, and my kettle whistles, and the bed creaks, and the floor squeaks. I'm exhausted. I can't sleep. What should I do?
Well, I can help you pick up your prescription at Costco and go out
Yes?
and get a ballerina.
A ballerina.
Yes, get a ballerina.
All right, you're the wise ballerina. Where did I get a ballerina? The ballet. Hello, ballerina.
Yes.
Would you mind coming to my house? Thank you. Well, maybe now I can get some rest. Oh, no, my bed. Oh, it's still squeak. Shh, I'm still hearing the wind. My tea kettle's still noisy. And this is supposed to help. I gotta go back to see that wise woman. Hello, wise woman.
Oh, hello.
You know, my house is still noisy, and you told me to get a ballerina.
Yes.
All day it's like. What am I gonna do?
Well,
It's so
I
noisy.
can help you. Go out and get yourself a Cookie Monster.
Cookie
Yes, get a Cookie
Monster.
Monster.
You're the wise woman. Where am I gonna get a Cookie Monster? Sesame Street. Cookie Monster. Will you come home with me? All right. I wonder how this is gonna work. Oh dear, my bed is still creaking. The floor is still squeaky. I'm still hearing the wind and the tea kettle and.
There are many things that start to better see. Me don't care about other things. Me just like cookie. Oh, C is for cookie. That good enough for me. C is for.
I gotta go see that wise woman again. Wise woman.
Yes.
You know, you told me to get a ballerina, and all day long it's like. And then it's.
C is for cookie.
It's so noisy. What am I gonna do?
Well, I can help you. Go out and get yourself a Tyrannosaurus. Yes, just do it.
Taurus. All right, here's my room. Where am I gonna get a Tyrannosaurus? Jurassic Park. Tyrannosaurus, would you mind coming home with me? All right, good thing I got my Tacoma. Okay, well, let's just see how this goes. Oh,
I'm so mad. My nose itches and I got useless little arms. I can't scratch. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. C is.
Wise woman, you know, you told me to get a ballerina, and all day long it's. And the Cookie Monster.
C cookie.
And now the Tyrannosaurus. I just can't stand it. It's so noisy.
I can help you. Go back home. Let the Tyrannosaurus go. Let the Cookie Monster go. Let the ballerina go. And then listen.
Oh, all right. You're the wise woman. I just don't get it. Okay, Tyrannosaurus. You can go back to your park. There you go.
But there are other things that start with letters.
That means to be right
Yeah,
there, right there.
no.
And that, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Goodbye. So, oh, there's my. It's still creaking. It's still pulling. Oh, my teammate is still whistling. Oh, but it's so quiet. Ah.
And little Shavindala fell asleep and had a very quiet dream.
And that's a story called
Too much noise.